Welcome everyone, my name is Nainika. If you are new here, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. It means absolute world for me. So today I created a bronzy eye look which is appropriate for any occasion and also could be combined with any type of dresses. If you want to know how I get this look, let's get started. So first I am moisturizing my face using this Olay night cream. So always I use a night cream because I find it really thick and I have dry skin, so it really nice moisturize my skin. Now for primer I am using Wet n Wild Dewy Primer. You can even use a daily purpose for the natural glow on your skin, and it's really affordable also. Now for the foundation I use these two shades from Maybelline and I did my foundation routine off camera. If you want to know how I do this, you can check out my previous video. Now for eyebrows I am using the nude palette from the Maybelline, and using this dark grey shade over here I will be filling my eyebrows. So I first start with the tail of my eyebrows and then drawing the arc and then filling the rest of my eyebrows. And at the starting of eyebrow I always fill lightly, forget the natural look. You can draw your arc rounded or sharp as you want, as you prefer. And then I will be combing it using the Miss Claire eyebrow pencil. So I really like the brush of it. Now for setting my eyebrows, I'll be using this Wet n Wild Mega Clear Gel. So you can even use it as a mascara if you really want a natural look, because it doesn't give a color. Setting your eyebrows will make your eyebrows sit for a long time. Now next I'm using this Color Essence HD foundation stick in the shade Natural Brown to conceal my dark circles. You can even use a concealer that you have. Now I'm setting it with a Lakme Rose powder in the shade Soft Pink. Now I'm moving to the concealer. So for that I'm using Wet n Wild concealer and highlighting my highest points of my face, that is under my eyes, bridge of the nose, forehead, chin and my upper of my lips. Now blending it using a brush. And lastly I will blend under my eyes so that I can get a more coverage over there. Now I am setting my under eyes using Lakme Rose powder so that I can move towards my eyes, and if there is any fallout it would capture that. Now for lips I'm using this Maybelline Baby Lips. It's a really good lip balm. Now using this brown shade I will define my crease very slowly. Now taking this ashy brown color, I will mainly focus on the outer V and then blending it inward direction. Now doing same with my other eyes. Now taking this bronzy shimmery shade, I will be using the brush that came along with this eyeshadow. I will put it on my 2/3 of my eyes. And for the more sparkle I will taking this golden shade above that bronze shade, and I will use my fingers because I don't find it much pigmented, so I use my fingers and then pat it all over my eyes. And then I am using that same ashy brown color and I will be defining my outer corners more to get more intense look. Now again I am intensifying using that shimmery shade. Now I am blending the lower lash line with the same ashy brown color. Now I am dusting off the excess powder from my face. After that I am using this brown shade to contour my nose. So I always use a flat shader brush to contour my nose because this will give me more intense nose. Now using that same color to contour my whole face. Now I'm curling my lashes and using this kajal from Faces. This is a really pigmented black kajal. Now taking this black eyeshadow, I will be patting all where I have applied the kajal and on my lower lash line to get a more intensified look. You can even do this whenever you apply kajal, cause this will not let your kajal smudge. And then using the highlighter shade from the same palette, I will be highlighting my nose and all over my face, and then using a finger to press it so it will not look more powdery. Now I'm applying mascara from Maybelline. Maybelline always make a good trustable mascara. Now using a sponge tip applicator dipped in a powder, I will clean my lower lash line to get a more cut crisp look. Now I am setting my face using this Wet n Wild setting spray. Now for the lipstick, I'll be using this L18 color pop in the shade Nude Face. It's a really affordable and good nude shade. Now for the hairs, I'm just pulling it back, and that's how I completed my look. And if you like this look, please subscribe to my channel, and also like, share and comment. And I'll be back with another video. Till then, goodbye, take care.